Hello students, today we will see the 5th chapter for the 6th standard from English grammar book. The chapter name is Verbs. So what are the verbs? Verbs are the words which tells us about the action. There is one more role of a verb. The verb also tells us about the tense, about the time of the action. These are the two main functions or main roles that a verb plays in a sentence. First, it tells the action, and the second one is it tells us the time or the tense of the sentence. There are several types of verbs classified on the basis of different things, like transitive and intransitive. So the verbs which needs an object is called as transitive verb, and there are some verbs which do not need any object. These verbs are called as intransitive verbs.
If you are new to this channel, please subscribe by pressing the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the new videos notifications. Thank you.
Let's see it through an example. When I say I read, there is something that I read, right? So like I read a book, I read a novel, I read a newspaper, right? So these newspaper, book, novel, story, these are objects. So what I read story, I read newspaper, I read book. So read is a transitive verb. And when I say I sleep at night, so sleep word is the example of intransitive verb. The verb which do not need any object is called as intransitive verb. Next is auxiliaries. So what are the auxiliaries? Auxiliaries are the helping verbs. The helping verbs are of different types, like be is helping verbs. Be के जो helping verb है वो है am, is, are for present tense and was, were for past tense. And to do के helping verbs do, does, did, these are to do's helping verbs. And to have's helping verbs like have, has, had and will have. These are helping verbs which help the main verb to make a sentence. Say for example, sometimes these auxiliaries can also be used as a main verb. See, like am. I am a teacher. I am an English teacher. Okay, so here am is used as a main verb. But let's see one more example. I am teaching English. So here in this sentence, am teaching. So am is an auxiliary or a helping verb which is combined with teaching, that is main verb. Am teaching. I am teaching. So it makes a complete sentence. Let's see one more example of to-dos. To-dos helping verbs are used to make negative sentences or to ask question. Like, I teach English. This is a simple sentence. I want to make the negative sentence. I do not teach history. So using do not, I'm making the negative sentence. So we use to-dos helping verbs to make negative sentences like do not, does not. He speaks English. He does not speak Tamil. Okay. The next, have. To have's helping verbs are also used as a main verb sometimes. Like I have a pen. I have a book. She has a bag or she has a purse. To make perfect tenses, we use to have's helping verb. Like I have returned. She has come. They have gone. He had completed. So have, has, had, these words are used to make the perfect tenses. Present perfect, past perfect or future perfect. Models. These are also the type of verbs. Words such as can, could, would, may, might, shall, should. These are modal words. They help us to modify the meaning of the main verb. When I say I speak English, it is the action. The sentence tells us that the action happens repeatedly. But if I use word can, So like, I can speak. So the meaning of the speak is changed now. It has become the ability. So we use can to talk about the ability of the person. Like, I can speak. This is my ability. I can speak English. Where do you use could? Could is used past ability. So I could speak, I could do that. मैं वो कर सकता था. That is could. May. We use may to greet someone, to wish someone. May God bless you. Like this. May you have a happy journey. We also use may to take permissions. Like, may I come in? May I go? May I ask you a question? Might. We use might to tell about the possibility. It might happen. It might rain today. So might is used to tell the possibility. There are some other modal auxiliaries also which we will see in later. Next is infinitive. So what is an infinitive? Infinitive is a word combined with, is a verb which is joined with to. There are certain characteristics of infinitive verbs. These verbs are always in its base form. Means there is no suffix or any yes, ing form is not combined with that. They are always combined with to. Like example, to read. So this is an infinitive. So infinitive verb is always in the base form. It is not attached with any suffixes or prefixes. Like to reading, that is wrong. To reads, that is wrong. So it should always be to read. Say the sentences. I like to read newspaper. To read newspaper, that is intransitive verb. My hobby is to play cricket. So to play is the intransitive. I hope you understand the verbs and its types.